How to remove email from WhatsApp. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel, How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove email from WhatsApp. In order to do so, first of all, open your WhatsApp application on your mobile device and ensure that you are logged into your account. Once logged in, you will land on this home page or the chat page. Now here, you will need to tap on the three dots icon at the top right corner of your screen. Once you tap on it, a drop-down menu will appear. Now from this menu, here you will need to select the settings option. Simply tap on the settings option and this will take you to the settings page. Now from the settings menu, you will need to look for the account option. You will be able to see this option at the very top. Once you find the option, simply tap on it and by doing so, you will be taken to the account section. Now from here, you will need to find the option email address. Once you locate it, tap on it and inside it here, you will be able to see the email that is currently added to your WhatsApp. Now in order to remove it, simply tap on the edit or the pencil icon next to your linked email address and then here in this page at the top right you'll be able to see three dots icon. Simply tap on it and there you'll be able to see the option remove email. Simply tap on it and then a pop-up will appear if you are really sure to remove your email or not. If yes, proceed it by tapping on the remove option and confirm. By doing so, you will see you have successfully removed your email address from WhatsApp. Once it is removed, your email address will no longer be linked to your WhatsApp account now. So by following these steps, you should be able to remove email from your WhatsApp. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.